Hello word. I'm Alex, and welcome back to your daily dose of vocabulary fun. Today, we're diving into a word that's sure to sweeten your day. Our word of the day is cake. Cake is an A1 level noun, meaning a sweet baked dessert. So, what exactly is cake? Well, it's that delightful treat we often enjoy at birthdays, celebrations, or even just as a comforting indulgence. It's typically made from flour, sugar, eggs, and butter or oil, and it comes in countless flavors and forms. Think chocolate cake, vanilla cake, strawberry shortcake, the list goes on and on. Let's explore some synonyms for cake. One synonym is dessert. For example, after dinner, we had a delicious dessert, a moist chocolate cake. Another synonym, though slightly less precise, could be pastry. You might say, the bakery is famous for its pastries, especially their fruit cake. Another one is confection. For instance, the confection was beautifully decorated and tasted divine, like a dream cake. Another synonym is sweet treat. She always enjoys a sweet treat after lunch. Today, it was a slice of cake. Now, let's look at antonyms, words with opposite meanings. While it's difficult to find a direct antonym for cake, which is a specific type of food, we can consider words that represent savory or non-sweet foods. One antonym could be vegetable. Instead of cake, I opted for a plate of steamed vegetables. Another antonym could be salad. For a healthier option, I chose a salad instead of cake. A further opposite could be bread, especially if unsweetened. Consider I ate bread to go with my soup. It was not as sweet as cake. Meat is a food very different from the sweetness of cake, so could be considered an opposite as well. He prefers meat to cake any day. Another antonym could be something like broth. When I am sick, I drink broth, but when I'm well, I enjoy cake. How can we use the word cake in everyday life? Well, you can say, I'm baking a cake for my friend's birthday. Or, let's go to the bakery and get a cake. You might also hear someone say, that's a piece of cake, which means something is easy. For example, the exam was a piece of cake. I finished it in an hour. Another common expression is to have your cake and eat it too, meaning you want to enjoy the benefits of two conflicting situations. For instance, he wants to live in the city and have a big garden. He wants to have his cake and eat it too. Let's get some usage examples with phrases and sentences. She decorated the cake with frosting and sprinkles. The children devoured the chocolate cake within minutes. The wedding cake was 3 tiers tall and absolutely stunning. He cut a slice of cake for everyone at the party. I bought a cake mix at the store. Making a cake from scratch takes time and patience. The aroma of freshly baked cake filled the kitchen. This cake is so delicious, it melts in my mouth. She gave him a piece of cake as a thank you. The cake was served after the main course. Let's split the cake into equal parts. She likes to bake cakes on the weekends. He always has cake with his afternoon tea. The cake recipe has been passed down through generations. We ordered a custom cake for the anniversary. This cake has too much sugar.
I preferred chocolate cake over vanilla cake.
Who wants some cake? I dreamed about eating cake last night. That cake looks amazing. So, to recap, cake is a sweet baked dessert, often enjoyed at celebrations. Synonyms include dessert, pastry, confection, and sweet treat. While direct antonyms are difficult to find, words like vegetable, salad, bread, meat, and broth represent contrasting, savory food options. And remember, a piece of cake means something is easy. Thanks for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Now, I encourage you to create your own sentence about cake and share it as a comment below. Until next time, happy learning!